Hello everyone, my name is Adam. I'm the creator of Survario. In this video, I'll show you how anyone can launch their own game and token, fully integrated in just 15 minutes. We'll take a game template from the Unity Asset Store, connect it with the Idos Games SDK, create an app and token on the website, and upload our game. What is Idos Games Engine? It's an SDK you can plug into your Unity game to integrate crypto features. Building a crypto game from scratch is expensive and complex, but they've built a solution. You don't need to worry about server side anymore. Idos Games provides a full backend out of the box. It comes with the pre-built systems like shop, rewards, spin mechanics, marketplace, crypto wallet, and more. Recently, they launched a platform similar to PumpFun, but instead of launching just another meme token, you can launch a real working product with a token already integrated into your app. I choose an asset called Survival.io because I liked it. It reminds me of a certain game. It has great graphics and a solid concept that can be expanded further. The developers usually list any third-party assets or dependencies required for their package, so make sure to check carefully. For example, in this case, we need to install .win. Once we selected the assets we want to work with, let's download the Idos Games SDK from GitHub. You can find it linked on the official Idos Games platform website. Now let's create our Unity project. Choose the template based on your game type, 2D or 3D, depending on the experience you're building. In my case, I chose the 3D universal template. Before importing any assets, make sure to install newtonsoft.json for the SDK to work properly. Let's wait for that to finish. After importing Newtonsoft to our project, let's import our assets that we prepared. If after importing any assets you get errors, I remind you that you need to install an additional packages that includes your asset. In my case, I have to install in-game purchase and AdMob packages. Now it's time to import Idos Games SDK to our project. During the SDK import, make sure to delete the Newtonsoft.json package from the SDK, since we already installed it manually. We have successfully imported our assets into the project. All the imported packages are located in the assets folder. For now, we only need the folders related to the core game and the Idos Games SDK. Let's take a look at them. We're particularly interested in the scenes folders, as these contain the pre-built game scenes. Our game asset includes just one main scene that contains all its core logic, including the menu, settings, gameplay, and more. You can modify it to suit your needs. The SDK includes two scenes, login and main. Login is required for player authentication and must be set as the first scene in the build order. Main contains all currently available SDK features. Let's test this out, but before we do, you need to set up the SDK. In the top menu under Idos Games, you will find Server Settings, General Settings, and UI Image Manager. Server settings are used to connect your game to the backend and upload the build to the server. You'll need to get your title ID and developer secret key from the developer platform. We'll come back to that later. For now, I'll enter the data from a test project. General settings are used to select the target build platform and to manage optional modules like mobile notification, ads, crypto wallet, marketplace, and more. UI Image Manager lets you manage the images used across all SDK prefabs. Don't forget to set login as the first scene in the build order. As we can see, everything is working perfectly. Now let's finally connect our game to the SDK. Let's add the currency display to the gameplay scene and also set up a reward for completing a level. We'll start by moving the currency bar prefabs from the main scene into the gameplay scene. To do this, open the main scene, copy the currency bar and paste it into your own scene. To add a reward after winning, let's find the script that opens the victory panel. We'll insert our reward logic there. By default, the SDK includes two types of currency: a hard token, crypto, and a soft currency, coin. For now, we'll only set up rewards in soft currency. In order to use SDK functions, make sure to include Idos Games namespace to your script. To grant a reward, we'll use the claim reward system. Use claim coin reward for soft currency and claim token reward for hard currency. Both functions require two arguments: the amount of coins or tokens to reward, and the number of stars, which count toward the weekly event, kind of like a battle pass. We also need to call user data server's request user all data function after giving the reward to update the currency values, since the reward is added on the server, not locally. Now let's check what we got. We need to successfully complete a round. Right now, we have 100,000 coins. As you can see, the coins were successfully added after victory. You can apply the same logic to reward hard tokens as well, but we covered that a bit later. The game is basically ready for release. We just need to polish the UI and make a few improvements. Now let's go ahead and create project and token on the Idos Games website. Click the Create button, choose a template, we'll go with default. Enter the name and description of the game. Also upload a banner image. Set your token name, ticker, and upload its image. You can also add social media links, and as the creator, you have the option to be the first buyer when the token is created. Let's wait while the token is being created. Our token and game have been successfully created. If we try the game now, it will load the default template. As we can see, the just created token is already integrated into the game. We need to go to the developer platform to get some data from the game we just created. Let's go back to Unity, open server settings and paste in our title ID. We also need to copy and paste the secret key. Do not share this key with anyone. Next, check the general settings and click Save to compile the scripts. Once everything is ready, build the game. Don't forget, to upload the game to the site, you need to use WebGL build. After the build is complete, select the path to your game's build folder and click Upload to server. Now that the upload is done, go to the developer platform and enable the custom build toggle. As you can see, the game has been successfully uploaded. Our created token has also been deployed to PancakeSwap. Wishing everyone good luck on their journey. In the next videos, I'll showcase even more features of the Idos Games SDK.